This is the phone. You need to change the charging system, replace it. Okay, so the first thing, you have to lose the back here. There's 2 squares you need to remove. After you remove the 2 screws, you just use the pencil in between the metal and the rubber. You just put it there. Try to raise it up. Be careful. Just do it slowly. Open it right on. Don't push the pencil that much inside, just halfway. Just push it halfway in, then just twist it up. Okay, then slide it down a bit before you push it from the side like this. You need to remove the LCD. Make sure you put the screw different places, because sometimes all the screw is not the same. iPhone have different type of screw. Remove the metal. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the LCD cable and remove the speaker up one. Remove the metal also. Disconnect the cable. Be careful. Take out the LCD. Okay. Now you need to remove this vibrating. You remove this ringer. Okay. Also, you need to remove the motherboard to take out the charging system, because the charging system cable pass under the motherboard and come this side. This is the cable. So the first thing you have to do, you have to try to take out the motherboard first. iPhone have different type of screw. Make sure you have all the tools. Make sure anyone you remove, you know where you put it, because screws are not the same. You try to take out the motherboard. Make sure you remove all the screws. So many screws. You have to take out the motherboard. Make sure you remove everything. Anything you remove, make sure you know where you take it out, so you put it back very easy. So many screws on iPhone. Make sure when you remove any screws, you make sure you put them close to each other. Don't put them in the same place because the screws are not the same. Disconnect so many cables you need to disconnect. Disconnect the camera cable. Okay. Then you remove the SIM tray. Put it on side. Disconnect the network cable. Be careful when you disconnect the cable. Don't press that much so you don't spoil any components. Okay, disconnect the charging system cable. Okay, you be careful when you do it. You try to raise the motherboard up. Okay, you take it out, put it one side. Okay, this is the charging system cable. You need to take out the cable. So now you need to remove the screws here. All the screws here you need to take out also. So many screws you need to take out. Remove the ringer first. Sorry, they're vibrating. Make sure you put the screw exactly how you take it so it will be easier for you to fix back. Okay. Any screw you remove, make sure you know where you remove it. And if you remove anything there, make sure you put it. Make sure you put the thing near the screw you take out, so it will be easier for you to know where you remove the screw and where you take out the parts also. You see the way I'm doing it. If you do it the same way like that, it will be easier for you. Disconnect the vibrating. Take it out. Put it close to the screws. Okay. Now you take out the ringer. If you watch the way I'm doing it, it will be easier for you to do. Be careful when you remove this network cable. Just remove it slowly because there's a clip here. Remove inside the clip. Okay. You take out the ringer. Put it one side. Put it close to the screws for the ringer so it will be easier for you to recognize where you take out the screw. Okay. Now you need to remove the screw here for the charging system. Make sure you put them exactly how you remove them so it will be easier for you to fix back. You see the way I'm doing it, so it will be easier for you if you do the same way like that. Okay. Take out the screw here. Okay. Now you try to shake the charging system. Okay, just shake, put the pencil here and hoist it up like this. Okay, then you pull the cable. You just try to pull the cable like this slowly. You can still pull it out anyhow because the charging system is not good. So make sure you pull it. You fix the other one like this also, the same way. Disconnect the mic. Just pull it from the rubber here like this. Another mic here. Just pull it from the rubber and leave the rubber there. Okay, there's glue on the mic. Just take it out. Remove the charging system. Put it one side. Okay, now it's time to fix the new charging system. Okay, you see how the charging system is, the cable is bent down here. You have to bend this one also the same way. You just fold it like that a bit down there. Here also do the same thing. Okay, here also you do the same thing. You just bend it a bit like this. Okay, all right. So now you need to remove this plastic. Okay, you remove this plastic. Make sure you take out this plastic so that the glue will fix on the down there. Okay, take out this one also. Okay, just take out all, because this charging system, before you fix it, if you don't want to lose the position for the motherboard, because the main important side also, the motherboard side is connected, you have to fix exactly how you want it so that you don't lose the position for the to fix on the motherboard. So you make sure you fix this side first. You fix the right place, you know, just fix the right point of it. Don't lose the timing. You see the mark, you see the 2 hole. Make sure these 2 holes be on the shiny side first, so that when you fix the motherboard, like, you can fix the charging system, the motherboard will fix, the connector will fix perfect on the motherboard. So make sure you get the 2 shiny place first like this. You see them? Okay, you see the 2 shiny place. Make sure you get that side first and fix the down here first, like this, so that if you fix the motherboard, the connector can just go inside the motherboard very easy. If you lose these 2 timing, you lose the timing how to fix on the motherboard. Okay, so after you fix that one, okay, this one, to make sure it's be on the circle. See, make sure it be like this, and you put the charging system down like this. Make sure the charging system go inside like this. Okay, you see how everything correspond very well, because you fix this side very nice. That's why everything gets be on the right tag position. Okay, you see, always start to fix this side first so that you can get all the position very nice how you want it. Okay, you see how everything correspond very nice. Now you need to put all the screw back. You take out. Okay, start by inputting the one from the charging system first. Okay, you see, now I'm going to fix it very easy because I put all the screw different position, so it will be easier for me to put. I just fix them exactly how I put them. You see, very easy. If you see the way I'm doing it, you have to do the same way like this, so it will be easier to replace the charging system. See, I just take and put, I just take and put, because I already put them into the position the way I want it. Okay, that's why even this one I put close to the screw, so it will be easier for me to fix back. I know where it is. Okay, and I just take the screw because I know the thing was close to the screw, so it's the same thing. Okay, It's very good to put it like the way I put it like this, so it will be more easier for you to fix back. Okay, now you need to fix the ringer. Okay. Exactly how I put the screws, the same way I'm putting the screw also back, because I already positioned all the screw the right way, so it's easier for me to fix. Just take them exactly how I put them. Okay. You fix the network cable back. Make sure you fix it very nice. Okay. Then you fix the vibrating. Okay. See, it's easier for me to put because I know all where the screw. I just put the screw exactly how I take them out, so it will be easier for me. Because iPhone have so many screws. So when you remove them, you have to do it like this, so it will be more easier for you to do. Okay. Then you fix the connector, the vibrating connector. You fix it very nice like this. Make sure you go inside properly, so the phone will vibrate when the call comes inside. Okay. You fix back this rubber. Then you put the screw there. That's why I put the rubber close to the screw, so at least I'll know exactly this screw is for this side. Okay. After I fix the charging system. Now you need to fix the motherboard. You just put the motherboard inside back like this. Okay. Make sure you just make it rest. Put it nice. You remove the network cable, all the two network cable. Remove them out. Network cable is supposed to be up before you put the motherboard like this. Okay. Make the motherboard rest properly. Okay. Then you fix the charging system connector. Make sure you get the right position before you press it down. You see, it's fixed very nice because I fixed the timing very nice. It's fixed. Okay. You fix the camera cable. Fix all this cable. Fix this one also. Okay. Fix this one up also. Replace all the screw you take out. Okay. You see, I already put all the screw exactly how I take them out, so it will be easier for me to fix back. It's very easy because iPhone have so many screws, and the screws, many of the screws are not the same, so you have to make sure you put them exactly how you take them because the screws are not the same. So if you do it like that, it will be easier for you to fix, you know. Okay. Okay. You see, it's very easy for you to fix them back because you already put them all exactly. See, everything will just go smoothly. You don't mistake anything because you position them very nice. Okay, now you fix the network cable. Okay. After you fix the motherboard, now you need to fix the LCD. You fix this one first. Fix the second one. You fix the ringer on top. Okay. Then you fix the battery. The battery is the last one you're supposed to fix. Then you fix the battery. You put the pan, close it. iPhone have different screws, so you have to make sure you have all the tools for them. Make sure you put everything very nice. Okay, place all the screws. Then you fix the one on top here also. Okay, after you finish, you just close it. Okay, you put the SIM tray. Okay, with the other screws you take out from here. Okay, make sure you place all the screws. Okay, now you need to test the charging system and see if it's working or not. Connect the charger. And the phone is on. That means the charging system is working. That means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.